qualifying race. Cool. You got yourself?
So we are here at Thousand Trails Campground in Orlando, and it's Valentine's Day, and we're just enjoying the hot tub. And it's cloudy, so nobody else is here, so we got the whole hot tub to ourselves.
The water is still 104 degrees.
And yesterday we went to the Daytona races. Oh, it was like the, what was it?
It's called the shootout. Oh no, the duel. It's called the duel.
Yeah, the duel race. I've never been to a NASCAR race, and I actually really had a good time. Really liked it a lot. I was surprised. A lot of people say it's boring, but I didn't think it was boring at all.
It's exciting. And they had a few wrecks too.
Oh, at the end of
They finished the final duel with a wreck, which no one wants to see a wreck, but
it was just so fun and entertaining. It was really awesome. So we're getting our Orlando trip started right, and we have a lot of fun planned this week, so we'll bring you with us.
Stay tuned.
You're the wind in my sails, you're the pull of the sea, you're the wish in the well, you're my faithful belief. If the whole wide world was offered to me, still you'd be all I need.
So we are at Rock Springs, Kelly Park, and we are going tubing. So this place is really cool. It's only $3 for 2 people to get in the carload. If you have more than 2 people, it's $5. And if you don't have a tube, you could rent a tube at a local bar for $7. But we had our own tube, so we were good. But anyway, this is really nice for $3. And the water's not too bad, actually.
Really
I heard a lot of people say it was cold, but
I don't think it's cold.
So you're all I need. So when you're feeling blue, with a weight on your chest, I can feel it too. I'll take your worst and the best. I'll be there for you, like you're there for me, 'cause you are You're the wish in the well, and my faithful belief. If the whole wide world was offered to me, still you'd be all I need. Oh, you'd be all I need.
So we're getting ready to leave Kelly Park, Rock Springs, and we definitely think that you should come here. It was an awesome place for $3, like we said, for the whole car. Well, for 2 people, 5 for more than 2. And it was a really nice day. The tubing is really long. I'm actually really surprised that you could walk and then get out at the other side, and then you're just walk back to the middle. It's really, really awesome.
We loved it.
Yeah.
The water's crystal clear, 70 degrees, so yeah, it's beautiful.
Lots of fish. It was just really beautiful. And they also have hiking trails and everything, so definitely recommend this. I personally think it's better than Disney.
Absolutely.
I forgot to mention this part. When we were doing research on this place, we heard that you have to be there at least an hour before the gates open and get in line because it fills up fast and they only take a certain amount of people. We came at 7, the park opened at 8, and it was, I mean, there was a lot of cars waiting. However, I went out in the parking lot at 10:30 and there were still people coming in. So I don't think we needed to get up that early, but that's just because it's the winter. It is a Saturday, so I thought that it would definitely be more crowded. I mean, it was crowded. There was a lot of people here, but like I said, people are still coming in at 10. So I don't think you have to get up that early in the winter.
We're here today at the Lake Apopka Wildlife Drive here in Florida, free admission. So we're going to drive around, see if we can spot some gators and other cool creatures. Stay tuned.
Well, we got about 5 minutes into the drive and it started storming pretty bad. Yeah, it's windy, rainy, it's crazy. So that was really awesome. Highly recommend it when you're in the Orlando area. It took us, I'm not actually sure how long it took us.
I think it took us about an hour and a half.
Yeah, it says online that it could take from an hour to 3 hours, depending on if you stop and how much traffic. There's not too much traffic, so, but it's only open on Fridays and Saturdays and Sundays. So just keep that in mind. We did, our final count for alligators was 15. Or was it 16?
I think it was 15.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Our final count for alligators was 15. So we definitely saw a lot of alligators, a lot of cool birds, and I also saw an eagle. Unfortunately, I didn't get a video of it, but I did get a picture. So I'll leave it right here. Anyway, we are going to go strawberry picking right now. If the rain holds out, we tried strawberries from a farm stand here in Florida.
Delicious, amazing.
We were like so in love with them, so we just have been dying to do it. And right now it's strawberry season in February, so we're definitely going to go give that a try, and of course we'll bring you with us.
See you there.
daiquiri. We just got one to share, but all strawberries today, so we might as well have a nice refreshing treat. Really good. And we get to take home. This was...
And of course we picked these awesome berries.
This place is really awesome. Especially if you have kids. They have an amusement park, they have a carousel, they have all kinds of rides. I've never seen a farm like this. Really pretty. Even in the background looks like there's like hills. I didn't even know that. I thought Florida was all flat. It's really beautiful here.
We're here at Disney Springs House of Blues and we're getting happy hour specials. $8 Long Island iced tea, $2 off drafts, cheap appetizers, guys. This is a great spot.
I haven't had a Long Island iced tea in a long time. Cheers. Pretty amazing happy hour. The garlic fries are so amazing. You have to start making them, babe.
And the brisket slider, next level. Really good sauce, juicy, very tender.
Are getting beignets, but ours have a twist and we have Irish Baileys to go with our beignets. Cheers!
So it's the beignet with the Bailey's Irish cream inside. Only here at Disney.
I should have grabbed napkins.
fields around me, where there's nothing but the breeze and the great unknown. Leave your worries and your suitcase. All you don't need, nothing but you. So don't throw your hopes down a wishing well. It's your heart's desire carry you. Come and sail with me to the open ocean, where you don't have to dream because there's you. Nothing around us, just flames in the fire, and through the night they burn like